Hey podcaster, I'm Tim Wolberg, your podcast performance coach, with another actionable tip so you can grow your authority and convert with ease. Today's tip is, let your pen be your pal. A lot of us don't use pen and paper anymore. We're all digital. We're surrounded by screens these days. But today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should never podcast without a pen. The first reason to have a pen nearby is to give your mouth a workout. This goes back to my grade 9 drama teacher, Ms. Hunt. She was a Brit who loved her Shakespeare and proper English, but if you couldn't enunciate, if you couldn't pronounce things properly, you'd get a tongue lashing and be accused of having a lazy mouth. Now, if you podcast early in the morning or late at night, your mouth may be tired. Here's an exercise using your pen to wake it up. Stick your pen in your mouth sideways, crossways, cheek to cheek, push it far back, and start talking. Really try to enunciate the best you can. I'll practice by saying the beginning of my show. Pen all the way back in my mouth. Hey, guys. Now, bite down with your back teeth on the pen. Hey, podcaster. I'm Tim Wolberg, your podcast performance coach, with another actionable tip so you can grow your authority and convert with ease. Practice by saying your promise a few times. Do your best to enunciate all the words. Doing this makes your mouth work harder. So when you take your pen out, talking is a breeze. Tip number 2 for having a pen handy. Is this thing on? Hello? How many times have you or your co-host or your guest recorded something with the wrong microphone settings? Having a pen in hand is the simplest way to test whether you're on the right mic. Take your socks off. No, not those socks. Please put those back on. Your mic sock. You know that big foam thing on your mic? Take it off. Check your settings and tap away. Watch your levels and listen. It'll be very evident that you're on the right mic. Because if you're still on your built-in laptop mic or webcam mic, you will not see or hear anything. And you can totally see those taps on the waveform on my computer as it's recording. So I'm definitely on the right mic. And reason number 3 for having a pen handy when podcasting is using a pen the way a pen should be used. Writing shit down. I wouldn't step into a radio booth without a pen. Ever. It didn't feel right. Something was missing. I was naked. Pens were precious around broadcasters, and they should be for you too as a podcaster. Making notes, marking up a script, keeping track of your thoughts. A good podcaster will have an outline for their episode, but as we know, the magic happens off script. Be prepared to go there. Mark things down on what you want to go deeper on with your guest, the things you want to come back to, the 3 tips your guest gives you so you can package them up for your listener at the end of the show. Usually all you need is a word to trigger a thought. This allows you to focus and listen to your guest and stay in the moment versus trying to remember and then getting lost. 3 reasons you need to podcast with a pen. Number 1, give your mouth a workout. Number 2, tap test that mic. And number 3, pen and paper, baby. Keep on track by making notes. Having a pen while you podcast can save your bacon 3 different ways. Make sure at least one pen is near your mic or at least in your podcast toolkit the next time and every time you hit record. And I hope that's just the tip you need. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button right now on your podcast player and never miss an episode. Want more tips? Sign up for my podcasting tips letter for more ways to sound like a pro and create more engaging content for your audience. Go to podcastperformancecoach.com, scroll right past that gorgeous video of me if you can, then go right to the bottom and enter your email address. That's podcastperformancecoach.com. I'm Tim Wolberg. See ya!